Nakita mo na ba tong latest controller ng Hercules? Ito yung pinagkakaguluhan nung NAMM Show 2025 this past January sa US. This is the Hercules DJ Control Mix Ultra, and as you can see in the image, walang cables at all. Wala siyang cables kasi it connects to your smartphone or tablet using Bluetooth, and this works with the Algoriddim DJ app. Alam ko yung tinatanong mo, okay, so kung Bluetooth yung connection, paano yung latency ng audio? Huwag ka mag-alala, kung gusto mo mag-DJ using a wired connection to your speakers and headphones, meron siyang kasama na DJ splitter cable included in the box. It's also battery powered, so that means you don't need to plug it to a power outlet or hindi mo kailangan isaksak sa isang power bank. Like I mentioned, it works on iOS and Android via the Bluetooth connection. Pero kung gusto mo siyang gamitin on Mac and PC running DJ or Serato DJ Lite or DJuice software, which is made by Hercules, you can connect using a USB-C cable. Now, even if it works with those apps, I'm going to recommend that you use this controller with DJ because it comes with that software for free when you buy this controller. Tapos meron din siyang tinatawag niya neural mix. As in, may controls doon sa controller mismo for the neural mix settings. These are basically the stems versions of DJ na pwede ka gumawa ng acapella, pwede ka gumawa ng instrumental, you can make mashups on the fly, and that kind of thing. Price for this controller is $199. Pre-order pa lang siya, ibig sabihin hindi pa nare-release. So suggestion ko, if you wanna buy this in the Philippines, contact Silent Noise or Scarecrow House of DJ. Tanungin mo sila kung ano yung retail price dito sa atin.